Last video we discussed about class, object, encapsulation, abstraction in object-oriented programming concepts in Java. Today we are going to see inheritance and polymorphism in object-oriented programming concepts in Java. What is inheritance? Inheritance is a process of deriving a new class from an existing class. This is called inheritance. For example, a child inherits the properties from his father. There are two classes, parent class and child class. Parent class is also called superclass or base class. Child class is also called subclass or derived class. What is parent class? A class whose properties are inherited is known as parent class or base class or superclass. What is child class? A class which inherits the properties is known as child class or subclass or derived class. In this diagram, vehicle is parent class, car and bus are child class. Types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Single inheritance. It enables a derived class to inherit the properties and behavior from a single parent class. Here, class A is a parent class and class B is a child class, which inherits the properties and behavior of the parent class. Multi-level inheritance. When a class is derived from a class which is also derived from another class, that is, a class having more than one parent class but at different levels. Such type of inheritance is called multi-level inheritance. In this diagram, we having three classes, class A, class B and class C. Here, class B inherits the properties and behavior of class A and class C inherits the properties of class B. Class A is the parent class for B and class B is the parent class for C. So, class C implicitly inherits the properties and methods of class A along with class B. Hierarchical inheritance. When a class has more than one child class, that is subclass, then such kind of inheritance is known as hierarchical inheritance. In this diagram, we having three classes, class A, class B, class C. Here, classes B and C are the child classes which are inheriting from the parent class A. Hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of multiple inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Since multiple inheritance is not supported in Java, this type of inheritance can only be achieved through the use of the interfaces. In this diagram, class A, class B, class C and class D. Here, class A is a parent class for classes B and C, whereas classes B and C are the parent classes of D, which is the only child class of B and C. That's all about the inheritance. Next we move on to polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means taking many forms, where poly means many and morph means forms. It is the ability of a variable, function or object to take on multiple forms. In other words, polymorphism allows us to define one interface or method and have multiple implementations. For example, in this diagram, bank is a base class that provides a method rate of interest, but rate of interest may differ according to banks. For example, SBI, ICICI and Axis are the child classes that provide different rate of interest. There are two types of polymorphism, runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. What is runtime polymorphism? In Java, runtime polymorphism refers to a process in which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than at compile time. Method overriding is an example of runtime polymorphism. What is compile time polymorphism? In Java, compile time polymorphism refers to a process in which a call to an overloaded method is resolved at compile time rather than at runtime. Method overloading is an example of compile time polymorphism. Today we discussed inheritance and polymorphism. Thank you, friends.